Okay, it's working. Say hi.
Hi.
Say Superman. Can you say Superman?
Superman.
Can you say cool dude?
Cool dude.
Can you say shake your booty?
Shake your booty.
Can you say wash your hands? I know you can see the video. Mommy's got it facing you. Can you say wash your hands? Hello? Say wash your hands. Hello? Dexter? Can you say wash your hands?
Wash your hands.
Say put soap on them. Is that funny? Say put soap on them. And wash your hands. Can you say there's choo-choo tracks everywhere? Really? There's choo-choo tracks everywhere. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Thank you. Do you want to say anything else?
Okay.
What are you going to say? Say, we are ants. What's your name? Can you say Dexter? How old are you? Can you say I'm two? Dexter, can you say I'm two? Say I'm two.
I'm two.
Good job.
I'm two.
Yes, you're two.
I'm two.
I'm two.
A cookie. With
Cookies?
cookies.
Are you asking for chocolate chip cookies? What's an alligator say?
Ah.
No, what's an alligator say?
Ah.
Tell me what an alligator says. Well, that's a different kind of alligator than I'm used to. Can you say what a guinea pig says?
Bleep.
Weet, weet. What's an alligator say? What's an alligator say? Say snap, snap. What's a monkey say? A snap, snap. What's a monkey say?
Monkey.
Yeah. Say ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. You want to count? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that all you want to count to?
Okay.
You don't want to count to 11?
Two.
Do you want to say your ABCs?
Okay.
A. Start with A.
And this is a this.
And A this.
Hey, Mommy.
I guess no ABCs today. That's okay.
Cookie.
Cookie?
Okay.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.